How to look at calculator's history on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can look on to the calculator's history on an Android device. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. First thing first, you need to open a calculator app on your device. It is a built-in feature, so you don't need to download it from anywhere. After that, you just need to open it, just tap on it, and you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. Right now I'm using a Samsung phone, so it may vary from phone to phone, the calculator device, calculator application. So therefore you see this interface on your screen. So what you're gonna do here, you may see a bunch of options and you may have done bunch of calculations on this calculator, and let's say you want to look out to the history of the calculator. For that, you just need to tap on this clock icon at the left side of the screen. You can very easily see this clock icon, which is the history of the calculator. So simply tap on it and you should be able to see all of the history of your calculator very easily. If you want to clear the history, you may just tap on clear history and your history has been deleted. So therefore just follow this method and you should be able to see the history of your calculator on your Android device very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.